Glow-in-the-dark ink makes your print glow in the dark. Today we'll be talking about how we do our glow-in-the-dark printing here at Rushford Ortiz. First, you're going to need some glow-in-the-dark ink. You can get it in a bunch of different colors, but we'll be using neon green today. Then we're going to need a shirt and a screen. Today we're doing a white print with glow accents. That means whatever parts we want to glow, we have to make their own separate screen for, in addition to the white underbase that will be beneath. In this case, we want the hoodie, the glasses, and the hat to glow, so we'll have a screen that just highlights over those sections. Make sure your underbase is kiss cut rather than contracted like you typically do. That way you don't have any glow ink without an underbase beneath it. The first screen is your white underbase. You need this to make your shirt glow because it'll be the layer that catches and reflects the light through your ink. Since this print happens to be on black shirts, we're gonna make sure to hit the underbase twice so that we don't get any of that shirt fiber coming through, and then we'll hit the glow ink. The next screen is going to be your glow layer. This will give your print its color and obviously make it glow in the dark. The one thing to keep in mind with this is that in regular light, it's not that distinguishable from regular white ink, so you'll want to keep that in mind when you're designing your shirt.